The Bureau has predicted that the weather is going to be catastrophic, with a mixture of rain, hail, thunder, lightning, tornadoes, all in the same sentence. And today I am documenting to see what's going to happen.
So what I think is going to happen is we're going to have some sun shower with a little bit of rain, and then we're going to get the grey clouds, then we're going to get the rain with the thunder and lightning, and then we'll get some
And just like that, nothing happened. Just a bit of wind, a couple of branches fell down in my region, and a spot of rain. With all that predicted weather, quite literally boring.